Hi dolls, welcome back to Lisanna Does Things. So as I mentioned before in my last video, this is how I created a free version of my vision board using canva.com. So in the search bar you want to type in collage and then you'll get a bunch of different options for you to make your vision board. You can also go to the top bar where it says templates or create your own blank photo collage by clicking that first icon with the plus sign. This is an example of what other options you have to create a template. You can create something very aesthetic-y or just something very simple with blocked boxes. We're going to start off by making a very simple collage with 4 pictures. So I chose this picture right here. You get to double click it and it takes you to the Canvas studio where you can create your own vision board. You can click on the side tab and click on photos and that will take you to all the images you can use on Canvas, or you can also search a word and images will pop up. Just keep in mind that some images are free and some you have to pay for with their subscription. So avoid any that have a little crown and just go for the pictures that just say free on the corner. I didn't like any of the pictures on Canvas, so I'm going to go open Google Images in a separate tab and type in career so I can see some other options that I can use for pictures. I'm going to go ahead and delete all the pictures that I have on that template so I can add in my own. So there's a picture that I really like. It's the career one moving forward. I really like it and it goes perfectly with my simple vision board. So I'm just going to drag and drop from one window to the other and the picture will automatically transfer. You can also save the image as, but I find that that's really time consuming and I don't like it. When you have the picture there, you can just pop it into one of the cells. It's going to take a while to figure out how to use Canvas because the cells are a little different to use. But once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. You just want to continue picking pictures and then dragging and dropping them. If they don't appear directly on the template, then they will pop up on the left-hand side of where your images are. So this is what I have so far. I really want to get a promotion this year, which I already got because it's already on my vision board. I really want to learn to love my job, move up in the career ladder, and get shmoney. But I really want to make these goals clear for myself, and every time I look at my vision board, I want to visualize it. So to take it a step further, I'm just adding the word career because that's the focus of this mini vision board and the 4 things that I want to outline, or maybe the 3. I want to get a salary increase, a new position, and I really want to learn to love my job and not just get stuck with the case of the Monday blues on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of my job. So I'm really happy with how things look like. Make sure that you tailor it to how you want it, move it around a little bit, change the color, the font, even like put it in a different shape box if you want to, like make that a start. But I'm really happy with this. This is what the final product looks like. And this is my simple career vision board. Using the same template, I'm just going to go ahead and delete each picture in the cells in the template. And I'm going to use the same template to help me build my next one, which is more of a collage-y feel for my YouTube vision board. So I'm just going to click on each picture and click on the delete button on the keyboard and everything's gone. I'm not 100% sure what I want to put on my vision board, so I'm going to start by listing out my goals. And my goals for YouTube is to get monetized. I want to connect with people. I want to publish beauty videos and all these fun YouTube videos. And I want to I don't want to say be an influencer because I feel that's kind of fake, but I just want to be like a people person. I don't know. That's the best way to explain it. In order to get monetized, I need to reach 1,000 subscribers, get 4,000 watch hours. I need to upload weekly and I need to hold myself to that. And I want to get paid sponsorship deals, so working with brands, and I'm already manifesting that. So I had someone reach out to me in my Gmail account, and that's pretty cool. But I'm just going to take a look to see what picture I can use to increase subscribers. So I typed in YouTube subscribe increase, but I'm not getting the pictures that I want. I'm not really filling them, so I'm going to try looking up something else. So definitely use different keywords or different words and phrases together to get what you want. I really like that first picture, the subscribe 1000, because that's really what I need, and it's just such a clean picture. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop that picture from my internet window to my Canvas window. And this time it's not going to pop onto my template, but it's going to go actually into the left-hand tab with the rest of the pictures. My dream is to get the YouTube Silver Play Button Creator Award. So I really like this picture. I'm going to go with it because I'm going to do something with it at the end to just give it a more personalized touch so I can obtain that. After I drag and drop my image, I'm going to go to the left-hand tab and click on text because I'm going to add my name to that award. I really don't know why I typed in my name thinking that that was going to be a font, but just try and find a free font that works for you and play around with some stuff. I tried using this like cool neon glowy font, but it just didn't work out with what I wanted, so I ended up going with this one. I chose Mariel Price, and I'm just going to change that because I just like how traditional the letters look. So I'm going to type in Lisanna Does Things, and I'm going to drag and drop it onto the Silver Play Button Award so it looks like it's made out to my name. To shrink the size, I went to the top bar and I reduced the font number, and I wanted to adjust it to the size that I wanted. Then I changed the letters and wordings to white to match the award font. I tried to add the YouTube logo to my template, but as you can tell, it just wasn't fitting in correctly, and I wasn't able to adjust it inside of the cell. So what I did was went in and deleted that picture, and then I deleted the cells just by clicking on the template and clicking on delete. So it's going to erase everything except the words, but I thought that it would be much easier to just start from scratch. I drag my play button award into the frame, and then I go ahead and crop the image because I don't want all that extra white space, and because it's a collage I'm going to use a lot of the space on there. So I'm going to just readjust that image and then move the wording back onto my silver play button. I'm going to continue to drag and drop some pictures and make sure that they all fit. This picture actually covers the picture that I want to be on top, so I'm just going to right click and then click on the button that says move to back, and that will push that image backwards so it's behind the original picture that I want in the front. Going back to the text tab, I'm going to click on heading and just add a plus sign to that 1000 because it's 2021 and we're not stopping at 1,000 subscribers. We're going to keep going for 300,000 and more. Because I want this to look like a true collage, I'm just going to go ahead and edit it and cut some things out as I would in real life. So I just wanted this picture. I think this is Vanessa Lau. I watch a lot of her videos, but I don't want her in my vision board. I want it all to be about me. So I'm going to move around some pictures and rearrange them so they fit properly. There's no blank space other than that text box in the middle, which I want to be blank because I want to focus. So I'm going to continue to find pictures that speak to me. My short-term goal is to get subscribers and find people that I can really connect with and who really want to learn about skincare and beauty and DIYs and everything else that I cover on my channel. But I really want this to be like such a loving and welcoming community. I added the notification picture so my channel can blow up in the future. I added my Canon camera so I can learn how to use it and take better videos for you guys in the future and things like that. This is what it looks like as the final product. My next vision board is going to be all about aesthetics, so I picked this one because I really love it and I think it's cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and play around with it, see where it takes me, but this one is really about my hobbies and self-care and spirituality and other things that I want to get into, like starting my own business and graduating college with my 3rd degree. So hopefully I can do that this year by being the boss lady that I am, but we will see, right? This is the whole point of the vision board. You're manifesting it and you're envisioning yourself accomplishing this in the future, and that's why vision boards are so important and they have helped me in the past. I make one every year. I think the first year that I started was 2019, or actually it was 2018, but they are so helpful. It's literally changed my life. It's changed my outlook on things, and this is the prettiest vision board I've ever made, by the way. Each vision board that I've made is very different from the next one, so you can make them however you want. You don't have to follow any rules. I like to make this one because I feel like when I want to talk about my health, my ambitions, and my hobbies, to me it just looks pink. Like that's what it looks like to me. So do whatever works for you and make it just words or just pictures or a combination of both. But this is really what I envision that I want to do. And for me, on every vision board that I ever make, it just helps me to write out what I want in addition to having pictures to visualizing that. I also wanted to add some weight loss goals for my 2021 vision board, which without a doubt always makes its way onto my vision board every year. But I'm always hopeful that this time will be different and I'll really stick to my goals. I also added a picture of my walk-in closet. I definitely want to finish that this year, and I want it to look a little something like that. And finally, I want to get closer to God, so I added that little picture at the bottom with someone kind of like praising the heavens on like this beautiful mountain. And when you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the download button on the top bar, and you can save your image. You can print it, you can save it on your desktop as a screensaver, on your phone if you have to, but you have that file to do whatever you want. So this is what all 3 vision boards look like once completed. So I wish you nothing but the best in health, wealth, and success all 2021 with your vision board, and take this moment as a reset to accomplish all of your goals and do everything you need to do to conquer 2021. I love you. Go ahead and click the subscribe button if you found this video helpful. See you in my next video.